Hello students, in this video we will discuss how to sequence jobs at a workstation using the early due date rule. As per early due date rule, jobs are processed according to their due dates. So our attention will be on this column, due date column. Now we have 5 jobs in this problem and we are required to sequence these jobs according to due date. And we will go with early due date rule. Once we arrange the jobs according to early due date, we will calculate average days past due and average flow time. We have the information about the time since orders arrived, the processing time, and the due date for each job. Now, according to EDD rule, customer B should be the first in the sequence and customer E will be the last job to process. We start by arranging the jobs according to the early due date rule. Since job B is the first one, we start working on job B right away. That means the start time for job B will be 0. Since job B takes 16 days to process, we will be able to start the next job once we finish job B. So the finish time for job B will be 16 days. Once the job B is finished, we will start job A, the next in the line, on 16th day. It takes 25 days to complete job A, so it means we will be able to finish job A on 41st day and move to the next job. The next job in the sequence is job D, which requires 10 processing days. So we will complete job D on 51st day. Once we complete job D, we will start job C on 51st day and we will be able to finish job C on 65th day. Now, according to EDD rule, job E is the last job in the sequence and we will be able to start job E after the completion of job C, and we know that job C will be completed on 65th day. So job E will start on 65th day and we will be able to finish job E on 77th day. In the next step, we will calculate the days past due based on the due date information available for each job. Now, if the finish date is less than the due date, days past due will be 0. So in case of job B, you see that we have the finish time as 16 days and the due date is 27 days. So we haven't passed the due date. In that case, the days past due will be 0. However, if the finish time for a job is more than the due date, as for job A, then the days past due will be equal to the difference between the finish time and the due date. So that will be 41 minus 29 equal to 12. So that means we have finished job A 12 days after the due date. Similarly, we will calculate the days past due for each job. For job D, days past due is equal to 3. For job C and job E, days past due are 0. Next, we calculate the flow time. We calculate the flow time by adding the finish time and the time since job arrived at a workstation. This information about time since order arrived is available in the problem statement, and we have the information about the finish time in this column. So we will add the values from finish time and time since order arrived to get the value of flow time days. In the last column, we have the information of flow time days for each job arranged according to EDD rule. Next, we have extracted the last slide's information about days past due and flow time for each job. We will take the average days past due by using the data in days past due column. The average days past due value is 3.0 days. Similarly, we will calculate the average flow time using the values in this flow time column. The average flow time is 58.4 days. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.